Queen Amina of Zaria, a famous Nigerian warrior who defeated an army and was known for her bravery. Like Amina from Zaria, every Amyla Cosmetics client is a warrior who fights for what she wants. Amyla Cosmetics has one goal: to give you the hair you dream of. Good afternoon, everyone. So we're going to be doing a special review, as you can see at the beginning, that I was telling you guys about the origin of Amyla Cosmetics, which is our product for the day. So this is a growth oil. I just want to put this up to the camera so you guys can see it. It comes in this pretty dope box. And I just want to go ahead and let you guys see the consistency of the gel. It's very, very light. Like, it's, yeah. It kind of smells, I don't know how to describe it. It kind of like, it reminds me of the 90s. I don't know how to describe it, but like, it has a nice little sweet smell to it. So we're gonna get right into the importance of oil. So the importance of oil, I know there's been this big debacle, this big debate. Are oils important? You know, I really asked you guys today in my poll that I put on my community tab, are oils important? So I feel like oils are important for, you know, reducing dryness, as well as the lighter oils help with, the lighter oils to me help with keeping, like, locking that moisture in. You know, I know some people do the, I think it's the LCO method. The LCO method is basically lotion, cream, and then an oil, right? So definitely for sure, I can definitely say for sure that, like, it's definitely a crucial point of my hair routine as well. And you know, my favorite quote is dry hair breaks, so the oil will come in and seal that as well. So this is gonna be specifically today, you know, of course, amylacosmetics.com. I will definitely be leaving the website below. And I can definitely say for sure that it has like a, you know, I know the first thing people say whenever there's a hair growth oil, they're just like, what is that smell? Right? So I could definitely say for sure that with the oil, it has like a sweet, I don't know how to describe it, like it has like a sweet aroma to it. I can't place my finger on it, but I'm gonna know for sure I'm gonna go in with the ingredients. So the ingredients include coconut oil, carrot oil, argan oil, macadamia nut oil, jojoba oil, tea tree oil, almond oil, you know, but almond oil, vitamin E, organic peppermint, and dimethicone. So I can definitely say for sure they also have directions on here as well for, you know how people like to, like, sometimes you just get so stuck in your routine that your brain just kind of like flubs, like, what is going on? Because half of these tutorials are for me, because sometimes I do forget how I do certain hairstyles and certain products as well. So this one, it says part your hair into 4 sections. Apply directly to your scalp to run protective hairstyle. Gently massage scalp for application for 1 to 3 minutes. And then of course, leave the oil in and wash your hair once every, you know, 1 to 2 weeks. And you know, how many times you wash your hair as well. But I think one of the main reasons why I like the oil is like the presentation, because if you hear it closely, it's glass. So I don't know, I can definitely say, like, I don't know how to describe it, like, I really like the presentation. Like, I can just imagine you're coming home from a long day of work, I mean, a long week of work, and you come home, and you come home from a long week of work, and you just put all these oils, they're all in one. So I can definitely see how, like, it would definitely facilitate growth, because like I said, growth, like, you know, growth retention is like a major thing for curly hair. It's very pertinent that you realize that with growth retention is the main thing. Our hair is always growing. Like, I feel like my eyebrows are growing right now. So, but seriously though, your hair is always growing. It's the retention. You can keep growing hair. To me, it's kind of like when you work out and then you be like, yeah, can I get a double whopper? with the size of Diet Coke. Like, you're not gonna lose any weight. So it's basically like you can sit here and like keep manipulating your hair, keep messing with it, keep putting heat to it, keep having the ends be out and not be sealed or anything, but your hair will dry out for the most part, right? So that's why I can definitely say for sure that, I don't know, like it's just very important that you find an oil that works for you as well. And like the fact that it has so many oils that people already use individually. The carrot oil, I've been hearing good things about carrot oil. I definitely want to debunk that. I'm gonna say debunk, but definitely I want to try that in the future for sure, is like the properties of carrot oil that facilitates growth more. So another thing that I can definitely say with hair growth serum is the fact that I feel like a lot of the oils are very heavy. Like this one was pretty much like, once again, like this one was pretty much you just boop boop boop, like it's almost translucent. So a lot of the other oils that I've seen out there are very, very thick, so there's a chance of clogging your pores as well, which you don't want, because the clogged pore follicle can't come out, can't grow. So I definitely say I like light oils too, is because another thing too is like, I don't know if you guys ever noticed it, but like whenever someone's about to blow your hair out or straighten your hair or anything like that, there's never a time where they're just like, yes girl, put all the heavy oils on there so I can have a horrible time. Even when you flat iron your hair, if you put like too much of a heavy oil into it, it's going to be stiff, right? So I think it's very important that when you're choosing an oil that it's light. It has a couple of different ones in there, you know, because like I said, no oil is perfect, but I like the fact that the hair growth serum for sure has so many different ones. And of course the origin of Amyla is just beautiful. As I said as I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, it's just like the meaning of it is just so stunning. So my overall look is that I will definitely be doing an update. So I'm going to do my homework, and you guys can follow at home as well. I'm going to be doing my homework where I am going to be putting this in my hair and see what the results are. So we can come back in a couple of, I would say 3 months, because I feel like natural hair phases come in 3 months. Like one's a plateau, one's your growth period. You know, there's like several different periods in your hair growth, I would say journey. But I want to come back in 3 months. What month is this now? This is February. So that's going to be May. So let's try for Memorial Day. You know, I want to come back and try to see like how much growth did I retain. But I can definitely say for sure, definitely try it. I'm going to leave the website below. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, share. It's Claire here.